Senior BJP leader L.K. Advani has complained about Home Minister P. Chidambaram, saying that Tuesday's lathi charge on BJP workers at the Jantar Mantar in Delhi was intentional. Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan joins us for more on the phone line. Madhav, the BJP clearly furious with the Congress over this lathi charge.
Absolutely, the BJP very furious, not allowing the houses to function. As we all know, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned and Lok Sabha is adjourned until 2 o'clock. But really, of course, L.K. Advani speaking to the leader of the House in the Lok Sabha, Pranab Mukherjee, on this issue, saying that lathi charge, as far as the BJP was concerned, they believe that it was intentional and that it was being done at the behest of instructions right from the very top. So clearly, of course, the BJP to target the Home Minister, asking even for his resignation on this issue.
Right, Madhav, also the Delhi police has come out and said that they never used lathis. There seems to be a lot of confusion about what exactly happened at Jantar Mantar.
Absolutely. In fact, BJP alleging that the lathi charge had resulted in several severe injuries of the activists who were present at that point of time over there at Jantar Mantar. There's certainly a little bit of confusion after Delhi police's statement, but certainly, of course, water cannons and tear gas being used over there at Jantar Mantar. Whatever be the case, BJP is certainly going to continue its protest on this issue, saying that they have demanded, of course, the resignation of the Home Minister, saying that it was an unprovoked act of violence on behalf of the police on these peaceful protesters.
Right, thanks for that update, Madhav.